Clear Brown, North Dallas, 22 Turbo S, full wrap Xpel Ultimate Fusion film, full window film with XR Plus, windshield 70, 30 everywhere else, moonroof 20. Let's take a walk around, look at the wrap. Like I say on all the other videos, I point out how we wrap all our edges in. And that's what we do. All our edges, everything wrapped in. This car has about 3,000 miles on it, so you'll see a couple little hits on it from rocks, but overall it looks great. It's still a brand new car. Everything wrapped in perfectly. All wrapped in, no seaming here. The headlight's done all in one piece, fully encapsulated around the light with no lines. All the bumper, everything's wrapped in, fully done. Tow hook, fully wrapped in, no lines. For us, just an average day. For others, I guess they do it differently, but no lines around here. Everything's wrapped behind the door. Fenders all wrapped in. Coming up on our pillars, fully wrapped in. Fully wrapped in here. It's all one piece coming back here. All the way back to the tail, all the way down, all the way into the intake for air, all the way to the rocker, all in one section. Door fully wrapped into the handle, no lines, handles are fully wrapped. Mirror fully wrapped underneath, no seams. Way to go. Much more of the same. So for us, redundancy, easiness, regular business. So same old thing every day for us, not a big deal. We don't try to do anything that we can't do, so everything we do is perfect. All this nicely done and perfect. If you're looking for that kind of wrap, come see us. If you're looking for lines all over your car, don't come see us. There you go. Turbo S 22, clearbrownnorthdallas.com, 214-414-3809. Take care. Thanks for watching.